Emma, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Really? How old is she?
She's 2 years old, but she's also crazy.
Crazy?
Yes, she wakes me up at 5.
Oh no.
But I love her.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Pets, pet names, their personality.
And most importantly, we're going to learn how to talk about your pet in easy English.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're happy you're here.
Daniel, let's start with a very easy question.
Okay. What's the question?
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, I have a dog.
Oh, nice. What's his name?
His name is Max.
Max. I like that name.
Thank you.
How old is he?
He's 3 years old.
And what does he look like?
He's small and brown.
Is he cute?
Very cute.
Of course you think he's cute.
Of course, he's my dog.
I understand.
What about you, Emma?
I have a cat.
What's her name?
Her name is Luna.
How old is she?
She's 2 years old.
What does she look like?
She's white and gray. She has green eyes.
Wow, she sounds beautiful.
She is.
Let's teach our listeners some useful questions.
Good idea.
The first question is, do you have a pet?
And the answer can be, yes, I do.
Or,
No, I don't.
very easy.
The next question is, what's your pet's name?
For example, what's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Or, what's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Great.
Now let's practice. Daniel, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
What's his name?
His name is Max.
How old is he?
He's 3 years old.
Excellent. Do you have a pet?
Now let's describe our pets.
We can talk about color, size, eyes, ears, and hair.
For example, my dog is brown.
My cat is white.
My dog is small.
My cat is big.
You can also say, he has big ears.
She has green eyes.
He has short hair.
She has long hair.
Let's describe Max.
Okay.
Max is small and brown.
He has big ears
He has dark eyes.
and short hair.
Yes,
He sounds very cute.
he is.
Now we're going to learn a very useful question.
What is your pet like?
This question is about personality.
For example, your pet can be friendly,
Quiet,
funny,
playful,
active,
calm,
or maybe a little crazy.
like Luna.
Exactly.
So, Daniel, what is Max like?
He's very friendly.
Is he quiet?
No,
No.
he's very active.
Does he bark a lot?
Yes, sometimes,
Oh,
but he's very friendly.
what about Luna?
What is she like?
She's calm most of the day.
Most of the day?
Yes, at night, she's crazy.
What does she do?
She runs around the house.
At night?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Now let's talk about things pets like.
Dogs like playing.
Cats like sleeping.
Some dogs love running.
Some cats love sitting by the window.
You can say, my dog likes playing.
My cat likes sleeping.
My dog loves going for walks.
My cat loves sitting by the window.
Daniel, what does Max like?
He loves playing with his ball.
Does he like walks?
Yes, he loves walks.
How about food?
He loves food.
All dogs love food.
I think so.
Let's talk about food.
This is also useful when talking about pets.
You can say, my dog eats dry food.
My cat eats fish.
My rabbit eats vegetables.
My bird eats seeds.
And don't forget this word, feed.
Feed?
Yes, feed means to give food to an animal.
So I can say, I feed my dog every morning.
Exactly.
I feed Max at 8 o'clock.
What does he eat?
He eats dog food.
Does he like it?
Yes,
Very much?
very, very much. Now let's talk about a normal day with a pet.
Good idea.
What does Max do in the morning?
Tell us.
He wakes up at 7.
Then?
He eats breakfast.
Then?
He drinks some water.
And after that?
He plays.
Does he sleep during the day?
Yes, he sleeps in the afternoon.
And in the evening?
We go for a walk.
Nice.
Then he eats dinner.
And at night?
He sleeps.
Sounds like a good life.
It is.
One very useful phrase for dog owners is, I take my dog for a walk.
I take my dog for a walk.
Exactly.
I take Max for a walk every evening.
Where do you go?
We go to the park.
How long do you stay there?
About 30 minutes.
Does Max like the park?
He loves it.
Does he meet other dogs?
Yes.
Does he play with them?
Sometimes pets need playtime too.
Absolutely.
I play with Max every day.
What do you play?
We play with a ball.
Does he like his ball?
He loves it.
What about Luna?
What does she like?
She likes small toys.
Does she play a lot?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes she plays for 5 minutes.
And then?
She sleeps for 3 hours.
That's a cat.
Exactly. Pets can make us very happy.
That's true.
We can say, I love my pet.
My pet makes me happy.
My dog is my best friend.
I love spending time with my dog.
I miss my cat when I'm away.
Those are great sentences.
Do you miss Max when you're away?
Yes, definitely.
How about Luna?
Do you miss her?
Of course.
Even when she wakes you up at 5 in the morning?
Yes.
Really?
Okay, maybe not at 5 in the morning.
Fair enough.
Let's have a longer conversation now.
Okay.
Daniel, tell me about your dog.
Sure.
What's his name?
His name is Max.
How old is he?
He's 3 years old.
What does he look like?
He's small and brown. He has big ears and dark eyes.
What is he like?
He's friendly, playful, and very active.
What does he like to do?
He likes playing with his ball and going for walks.
What does he eat?
He eats dog food.
When do you feed him?
I feed him in the morning and in the evening.
Where do you take him for walks?
I take him to the park.
How often?
Every evening.
Wow, you spend a lot of time together.
Yes, Max is my best friend.
That's sweet.
Now it's your turn.
Listen and repeat.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
His name is Max.
His name is Max.
He is 3 years old.
He is 3 years old.
He is small and brown.
He is small and brown.
He is friendly and playful.
He is friendly and playful.
He likes playing.
He likes playing.
He loves going for walks.
He loves going for walks.
I take him to the park.
I take him to the park.
My dog makes me happy.
My dog makes me happy.
Now let's talk about your pet.
Imagine I'm asking you questions.
Do you have a pet?
Pause and answer.
What's your pet's name?
Pause and answer.
How old is your pet?
Pause and answer.
What does your pet look like?
Pause and answer.
What is your pet like?
Pause and answer.
What does your pet like to do?
Pause and answer.
What does your pet eat?
Pause and answer.
Where do you take your pet?
Pause and answer. Let's review today's most important phrases.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
What's your pet's name?
His name is Max.
How old is your pet?
He is 3 years old.
What does your pet look like?
He is small and brown.
What is your pet like?
He is friendly and playful.
What does your pet like to do?
He likes playing.
What does your pet eat?
He eats dog food.
Where do you take your dog?
I take him to the park.
And that's the end of today's episode.
Today we learned how to talk about our pets in English.
We talked about names,
Age,
appearance,
personality,
food,
daily routines.
and favorite activities.
Remember, you don't need complicated English.
Simple sentences are enough.
I have a dog.
His name is Max.
He is friendly.
He likes playing.
That's already a great way to talk about your pet.
And don't forget to practice.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Thank you so much for listening.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye, everyone!